Today we're going to do something completely different, darling. Yeah. Okay. 1, 5. And you're going to change into head, into chest, mix, depending upon where I jump. But I'm going to jump around in it. And you want to be able to hear it. Okay, I'm going to sing a few and then I'm going to let you go. And you can play it again and again and try and hit these notes. This is for your intonation, your ear, being able to hear those notes. 1, 5. 1, 5. 1, 5. Down here. 1, 5. It's your turn. Do it again. There you go. Remember, you've got to remember these. Here we go. Okay, I'm going to play it for you. Then you can sing it. Go ahead. Very nice. Go ahead. 1, 5. Your turn. Nice. I'm going to do it again because I sort of glitched. Okay. Very nice. For the nice high sounds. 1, 5. Notice I opened up for the I in 5. 1, 5. And I held on to the vowel in order to get that note. Just a note, you know. Okay. Now, I'm just going to give you the first note, and you're going to have to sing the second one like this. 1, 5. 1, 5. Your turn. I'm going to give you the note. 1, 5. Okay, one note given, then you hit that note and the first note, which is 1, and then you'll hit the 5th. 1, 5. Okay, remember the first note is just to let you hear it. There you go. Like this. 1, 5. Yeah, it's low, but you can hear it. And over here. Nice. Just a few more. Up here. A nice high one. One more. I lied. One more. There you go. 1 to 5 intervals. You need to be able to hear your notes. Yes, and it is so nice to do what? Remember, to do what we love. That's what we're going to do, right, guys? Okay, we're going to do what we love. I'm loving you. I'm loving singing. I'm loving doing these exercises with you. So I want you to tell me, are there any other exercises? Oh, Marquita, come on, do this or that. You know, or your aha moment in the exercises. What are the ahas? I need to hear from you. Leave a comment, subscribe, you know, ring that stupid bell. Oh my gosh, why do we have to do so many things? You know, that's life. Life is for living and doing lots of things. But as I say, always do what you love. Have a great day. Have a great singing day. We'll see ya. It's such a day. Yeah. Such a fun day. Oh. Yeah. Have a great day. Bye-bye.